Welcome to the Summary Library, where we bring you concise and engaging audio summaries of great books, saving you time and enriching your mind. Today we gave you the summary of the book called Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book isn't about radical change, but about tiny improvements that compound over time. Clear argues that significant achievements are the result of consistent, small habits. The core idea is that even minuscule daily improvements, like 1% better each day, lead to exponential growth. Conversely, 1% worse each day can lead to significant decline. Think of it like compound interest for your life. Clear outlines 4 laws of behavior change. 1. Make it obvious. Increase your awareness of your habits. Identify your cues and make them more visible. 2. Make it attractive. Associate your habits with positive emotions and rewards. 3. Make it easy. Reduce friction and make your desired habits effortless. 4. Make it satisfying. Reward yourself immediately after performing the habit. Instead of focusing on massive goals, Atomic Habits emphasizes systems. A strong system, even with small actions, will inevitably lead to desired results. It's about focusing on the process, not just the outcome. To break bad habits, the process is reversed. 1. Make it invisible. Remove the cues that trigger the bad habit. 2. Make it unattractive. Associate the bad habit with negative emotions. 3. Make it difficult. Increase the friction associated with the bad habit. 4. Make it unsatisfying. Eliminate the immediate rewards of the bad habit. Clear emphasizes the importance of identity. Believe that you are the type of person who exercises regularly, eats healthy, or reads consistently. Your identity will drive your habits. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Celebrate small wins and don't let setbacks derail you. Focus on building a sustainable system for long-term change. This is just a glimpse into the powerful concepts presented in Atomic Habits. I highly recommend reading the full book for a deeper dive into building good habits and breaking bad ones. I hope this helps.